Hey everyone, my name is Georgia, and today I will be showing you how I made a macro to calculate the premium for a homeowner. So, to the far right, I made a little table off of some of the information that I was given. So, the amount of insurance for this homeowner was 215,000. I did a quick little VLOOKUP to calculate, well, to find um the rate relativity for it, and I did that for all the other information about this homeowner. So let me quickly type premium here so I can calculate it. And I cannot spell, well, but yeah, we do premium there, and in this cell I will create. I'll start my macro. So I'm gonna name the macro premium for premium macro. Let's just keep it simple, and I'll make a shortcut key. Yeah, let's do P and okay. Now, time to start the macro, I guess. It's recording and we're good to go. So, I'll start it off by doing cell equals the base rate, which is 500 years and 14. And I'm going to do that times the amount of interest, times the territory, times the protection class, times the tier, times the deductible times 1 minus the discount rates. So it's going to be 1 minus 0.2 minus 0.1, I believe. I can't see, but yeah. And gonna times that by 1 minus, well, 0. I look, you could have just leave that out, but we're gonna add the rest. And yeah, so that's the number I got, and I made my macro. So I'm gonna stop recording, save the macro, and let me create a little button. So I'm gonna add the button right there. I'm gonna add the premium macro to it, and I'm gonna rename it. As you can see, I'm gonna rename it premium button. So let's test it out to see if it works. I'm gonna delete everything out, and I'm gonna click the button to see if it works. Okay, now let me double check, delete everything, and click the button, and it works. Let's see if it works if I change like one of the formula, one of the information's up in the table. So originally it was 1. I'm gonna change it to 2. Click the button and see it works. So yeah, that's how you create a macro that calculates premium. So let me just put my information back there, and I forgot what I named the table. Hold on. It's tiers. The underwriting. There you go. The underwriting table. So that. Oh yeah, I named each of my tables by the way, and it went back to normal.